So hi guys, this is my vlog for my daily exercise. So for today's video, come along join me as I jog in village. By the way, my friends are here.
So, of course, first is warm up. So, before relating to other exercise, kinahanglan jud.
Agility test, exercise number 1, plank.
Perform flexibility. First exercise, sit up.
Exercise number 2, squat.
Second exercise, I perform the squat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Cardio exercise. Exercise number 1, running.
Next exercise is
Exercise number 2, jumping jacks.
first
Yate galag naman.
First exercise, sit up. Sit up exercise. First is sit up.
Ikaw, test. First exercise, sit up. Sit up ka na yun, ha? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Exercise number 2, sit and reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to go. Strength exercise. First is push up. Sa position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Flexibility.
Exercise number 2.
First exercise,
Mountain climbing.
sit and
1,
reach.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Done.
Hindi naman yun, no?